Welcome to a pivotal moment in the global automotive landscape. Today, we are dissecting one of the most polarizing and unconventional brand launches in recent history. When Omoda, the high-end sub-brand of the Chinese giant Chery, decided to cross the channel into the United Kingdom, the industry expected a standard corporate rollout. Instead, they were met with an enigmatic campaign saturated with imagery of cats, blooming flowers, and the rhythmic fall of rain and snow. It was a sensory-led strategy that seemed to prioritize emotion over engineering, leaving enthusiasts and critics alike wondering, what exactly is Omoda trying to tell us? As we approach our own monumental shift on April 10th, evolving into Technologic TV Global, we see this as a perfect case study in how technology and marketing are merging to redefine consumer expectations. This isn't just about selling a car, it's about embedding a brand into the cultural fabric of a new market. And at the heart of this storm stands the brand's newest champion, the Omoda 7. Let's address the elephant, or rather, the cat in the room. Why would a car company use domestic animals and seasonal weather to launch a high-tech SUV? The answer lies in the art in motion design philosophy. Omoda is targeting a generation that is weary of traditional, aggressive car advertisements. By using cats and flowers, they tap into a lifestyle-first mindset, suggesting that their vehicles are not just tools for transportation, but companions in a serene, modern life. The rain and snow elements serve a dual purpose. They acknowledge the infamous British climate while subtly hinting at the vehicle's reliability and all-weather capability, without showing a single muddy off-road trail. This odd campaign was a calculated psychological bridge, designed to soften the image of a foreign newcomer and make it feel familiar, approachable, and even artistic. In a world where every brand is shouting about 0 to 60 times, Omoda whispered about comfort and aesthetics, and that whisper was loud enough to capture the entire UK's attention. It's a masterclass in disruptive marketing that favors curiosity over clarity, forcing potential buyers to stop, look, and ask, who is Omoda? Beyond the flowers and the fluff, the hardware is where the real story begins. The Omoda 7 is not just a larger version of its predecessor, it is a sophisticated evolution of the brand's engineering prowess. Omoda is launching this model with a strategic, dual-power approach to satisfy a world in transition. The headline act is the plug-in hybrid PHEV variant. It features a dedicated hybrid engine, a 1.5-liter turbocharged unit designed for thermal efficiency, paired with a high-torque electric motor and a cutting-edge battery pack. This system is engineered to provide a seamless transition between silent, electric-only city driving and high-range highway cruising. For the traditionalists and those in regions with developing charging infrastructure, Omoda remains committed to the internal combustion engine, ICE, offering a refined turbocharged variant that focuses on reliability and cost-effectiveness. The chassis has been tuned with a global perspective, balancing the stiffness required for European beer roads with the vibration damping needed for urban comfort. It sits on a new modular platform that prioritizes structural rigidity and safety, ensuring that despite its artistic marketing, the Omoda 7 is a formidable piece of heavy-duty machinery designed to exceed global safety standards. Step inside the Omoda 7, and you leave the odd marketing behind for a world of pure digital sophistication. The cabin is envisioned as a third living space, a digital sanctuary where minimalism meets high-speed processing. The focal point is a massive, ultra-thin infotainment screen that boasts a resolution comparable to high-end tablets. Powered by the latest generation of automotive processors, the interface is fluid and intuitive, supporting deep integration with AI-driven voice assistants that can control everything from the panoramic sunroof to the ambient lighting. The safety suite is equally impressive, featuring a multi-layered sensor array that provides Level 2 plus autonomous capabilities. We're seeing advanced lane-keeping systems, adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go functionality, and a proactive emergency braking system that utilizes machine learning to better predict potential collisions. This is where Omoda proves its worth. By offering premium, high-tier technology as standard, they are directly challenging the value proposition of established European and Japanese rivals. It's a bold gamble, Use soft marketing to get you in the door, then blow you away with hard technology once you're inside. The Omoda 7 and its peculiar UK launch remind us that the future of the automotive industry is as much about perception as it is about pistons and pixels. Omoda is a brand that isn't afraid to be different, and that spirit of innovation is what drives us here at this channel. I'm Ava, and as we count down the days to our rebirth on April 10th as Technologic TV Global, I invite you to keep questioning the status quo. The world of technology is changing, and we are here to lead the way. Stay curious, stay visionary, and I will see you in the next chapter of our journey.